Onto your whisks, because the restaurant industry is undergoing a seismic shift. Global cloud kitchen revenue is projected to reach a staggering $222.3 billion by 2027. That's right, you heard me. This ain't your grandma's greasy spoon we're talking about. Cloud kitchens, also known as ghost kitchens or virtual restaurants, are changing the game. They're essentially professional cooking facilities designed exclusively for delivery-only food service. No dine-in, no waiters, just pure culinary craftsmanship delivered straight to hungry customers' doors. This model is booming in today's tech-driven, convenience-obsessed world. People want delicious food delivered fast, and cloud kitchens are perfectly positioned to meet that demand. Now, before you go hanging your open for business sign just yet, let's get one thing straight. The cloud kitchen game is no walk in the park. It's a fiercely competitive landscape out there. You've got countless other aspiring restaurateurs all vying for the same hungry customers. And don't even get me started on the operational hurdles. Sourcing ingredients, managing inventory, ensuring food safety, and optimizing delivery logistics. It's enough to make even the most seasoned chef break a sweat. But fear not, you culinary gladiators. With the right approach, a dash of grit, and a whole lot of passion, you can rise to the top of the food chain. First things first, you need to understand your enemy, the competition. Analyze your local market, identify your target audience, and figure out what makes your culinary creations stand out. Are you offering authentic Thai street food, gourmet vegan burgers? Whatever it is, make sure it's bloody delicious and unique. Next up, let's talk logistics. Efficient operations are the backbone of any successful cloud kitchen. You need a streamlined system for everything from order management and food preparation to packaging and delivery. Invest in reliable technology and build strong relationships with delivery partners. Remember, time is money in this game, and a seamless delivery experience is crucial for customer satisfaction. Get it right, and you'll have them coming back for more. Section 4. Recipes for success menu, marketing and delivery. Let's talk about the holy trinity of cloud kitchen success menu, marketing and delivery. Your menu is your culinary calling card. Keep it concise and use high-quality ingredients. Marketing spreads the word. Leverage social media and influencers. Ensure seamless delivery with reliable partners and optimized packaging. Section 5. A Taste of Triumph case study. Meet John, a former Hell's Kitchen contestant. He launched a cloud kitchen specializing in gourmet grilled cheese. Using high-quality, locally sourced ingredients and a concise creative menu, he mastered social media. His Instagram was filled with drool-worthy photos. Partnering with influencers, he built a loyal following. The result, a roaring success, proving passion and hard work pay off. Section 6. Key ingredients for your cloud kitchen journey. So there you have it, you aspiring culinary entrepreneurs. The cloud kitchen revolution is here to stay. Embrace the change, be prepared to hustle, and never, ever compromise on quality. Remember to differentiate yourself from the competition, nail your operations, craft a killer menu, master the art of digital marketing, and ensure a seamless delivery experience. And most importantly, never lose sight of your passion for creating delicious food. Now go forth and conquer the culinary world, one delivery at a time. Section 7. Ready to get cooking? Feeling inspired? Share your thoughts, questions, and culinary dreams in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more entrepreneurial insights, be sure to check out my other articles on building a successful food business. Remember, the only thing hotter than my temper is my passion for food.